Hello guys, my name is Adam, and I'm going to record Forex Megaliner Robot. Before you start reading or leave the page, I offer you to check if this product is for you. All you need to start using it is to have PC with internet dedicated line. It's true, no Forex skills needed. And below at this page you will find video on Forex Megaliner Robot, expert advisor for all traders from novices to professionals. Its main idea is based on breakout strategy combined with break-even trailing. It is a perfect combination along with Swiss quality that we offer. Forex trading is very tough but is not impossible. And I'm here to prove it. Just give me few more minutes and continue reading. Orders and auto trading orders can be placed with just a few clicks and the broker then passes the order to the market. This can all happen literally within a few seconds. At Forex you may sell or buy manually or use so-called robots or expert. To sum up, if you have a laptop or PC with internet connection, you may start using it today. No skills needed as it trades automatically and installation is simple even for a child. How exactly Forex Megaliner Robot works to make a profit? Forex Megaliner Robot is based on moving channels breakout strategy. After you install the robot on Aristore chart, M30 time frame, you will see two yellow lines at your chart. They indicate what you will get in the process of download, robot file with one integrated license, for live account, not limited usage on demo accounts manual, PDF file, with setup guidance free updates. Free support express installation steps. Express installation steps. Complete purchase form. Make sure your order is accepted. Store all your purchase details, its number and transactions. Get a purchase confirmation at email with a direct download link. Save the product at your PC and Forex Megaliner Robot advantages. Follows unique self-adjustable breakout trading strategy, any market compatible due to its moving channels algorithm specially designed for Arist and ERGP. M30 time frame up to 1034 pips per month with favorable M. Don't miss the chance, and get your version right now. Just click on the link below, in the description.